Hi everyone, today I will show you how to use the green screen effect in CapCut to make your video look professional. This effect lets you replace a green screen background with an image or video. Let's get started. The first thing to do is to import your background video. Open CapCut and start a new project. Import the background video or image you want to use, or continue with an existing project. The next step is to add your green screen video as an overlay. Go to the overlay at the bottom menu. Tap Add Overlay and select the green screen picture or video. This will place the green screen footage on top of your background. The next step is to use the chroma key tool. Select the green screen video in the timeline, then you go to Remove Background and then select Chroma Key. Tap on the color picker and move it to the green background of your video to select the green color. Next, you can adjust the intensity and shadow slider until the green screen background disappears completely, leaving only your subject. Increase the intensity until the green is gone and adjust the shadow if you need to smooth out the edges. And that's it guys, you successfully used a green screen effect in CapCut. Now you can add any background you like behind your subject. Thank you so much for always watching our video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Happy editing. Bye bye.